Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. It's Thursday. What's really happening on the market? Nothing much, guys. The market is just consolidating, and I think it's understandable. And yeah, when we check on the economic calendar today, we actually have flash manufacturing PMI around quarter to four, and unemployment claims. This can actually move the market if things are actually moving quite lower. Let's expect maybe the number to be quite not really that as bad, but here it shows us that the numbers will be going down. So we'll see what will happen on that. And this is not going to be good because already US is selling, so which means this can actually push US to be actually to go actually lower because already it's quite selling. We see. But anyways, on Friday, which is tomorrow, we have Powell is still going to speak. I think even yesterday he was speaking around that time, around 8. So even tomorrow he's still going to speak. And obviously, we know that the chances of cutting the rate, I think they are already on the table. And yeah, we can't think otherwise. So obviously, the market will start to actually sell. It means, yes, we are going to look for buying against the dollar. You see, you can go through this economic news and stuff, but at the end of the day, it's like we already know because things are not moving very well. All the economic news that we usually check, they are pointing down. So which means the market is cooling or down. You see, so the economy is cooling down, or let's say inflation, not the economy. Inflation is going actually down. So I think it's time for Federal Reserve to cut the rate. So this is going to be a quick analysis because we like do this almost every day, and sometimes there is very few changes. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you can pause the video and let me know if you want to be part of the team. That it's actually our packages, VIP signals packages. Scan the QR code, WhatsApp me, and you can start to be part of the team. So on dollar index, what's really happening? We can easily see that no, this thing is quite straightforward. We can easily see that the market actually broke out. This is our support area, and the market just broke out. So it shows us that now the dollar it's feeling the heat of rates cuts, and we start to see it going down. So which means the dollar is showing us that it's actually quite weak, and we actually want that. So now we are on Gbpusd. I hope my people are eating. You can see that the market is still on that uptrend. Yesterday, I think when I was talking to you here, the market was around this level, and we're talking about breakout. Just look what happened. The market broke out, and we bought because we are on this uptrend. So we believe this is a continuation of that bullish move. Yes, along the way, the market might try to reverse, but we know very well that we are still on that uptrend. So I like the fact that the market broke out here, and we see that the market is now going higher. Maybe the market after some time, the market will try to bounce back here and start to go higher. But at the moment, we are smashing. So if you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just talk to me. For those who actually require, if you want a broker, guys, and you are confused, EXNESS, I think, is gonna be the one. You don't really need much to deposit, even though there is no deposit bonus, but it's a very good broker. It's a very good broker, unless if maybe you want to trade news left and right, maybe that can be a problem because they lower the leverage a few minutes before the news release, actually just to save you. It's not like maybe they're trying not to or they're blocking you from making money. No, they're trying to save you because naturally, or it's actually understandable that during the news the market will do what? The market will actually start to become very volatile. There are reasons behind that. It's not like the market is just going up and down and the broker just want to make you lose. No. If you understand the liquidity providers, during those times, they're trying to keep up with the price, and the broker also is trying to catch the price because the price is changing very quick during those times. It's like Black Friday. Just imagine if maybe some stores where maybe they sell something. Just imagine when it's that time when maybe let's say 50 TVs, they say it's $50, and or let's say maybe 1,000 TVs, right? And maybe there is a million people who want to get that TV. They placing the order like instantly. So which means the system is trying to catch the one which is very quick, but that is quite difficult sometimes because there are so many people, and the only thing that makes those moves, it's because of the latency. The internet sometimes can be quite small, as make this thing to be quite slower because there are servers all over the world trying to get proper price, but at that time it's difficult because everyone is offering their price. You buying, you selling, you buying, you selling, and at that time everyone just want to know what's really happening with the news. You see, so when we see the wider spread, because the demand is quite higher, we start to see the wider spreads because they don't really have a specific price at that time. And just because you don't know and you don't really do your research, you just want to see yourself making money, you will start to say, oh, this broker, it's a whatever that the names that you like to call them. And the problem is you sometimes. Or let's say most of the time, we don't really do our research. And this, guys, it can't just be a 6 trillion, 10 trillion market and things just start to be easy and everyone's just making it easy. No, it's not. People is the thing, they just try to make it looks like it's easy, and they start to not try to learn. And when things don't go the way they want, they will start to say some stuff. You see, so sometimes it's the problem is people who trade, not the brokers. So now we are on gold. We can see that the market has been going up. We had this proper resistant, the market broke out. It seems like the market is struggling around this level. So, but I'm expecting to see a proper reversal to reach this area. You see, if the market reaches the support area, I'm expecting to have that nice buy. Or maybe the market will tend to break this resistance because we have to buy around these very important zones. There are some zones which are not really important. It's where we're supposed to hold. Like here, the market is just consolidating. So we have to wait for the market to reach this support area. Then we can have a proper buy. At the moment, yes, I'm still bullish, but I'm waiting for a proper reversal before I look for a buy. Maybe someone can try something like that. Yes, maybe that can also work. But I think at the moment, the best thing that I can just look at is this level there. I'm still very bullish on gold, you see. So let's push to the next one. So we are on US30. We can see that the market has been playing around the same level. Let's see, let's check the date. Today is 22nd, 22. So since 19th, or let's say, yeah, since 19th, the market has been here. 19, 20, 21, 22. Almost 3 days, the market has been playing around this area. So that is a pure consolidation. So the market doesn't really know what to do, you see. But we know very well that they will be cutting the rates, and that will have a nice relief on this market. And we're expecting a continuation of that buy. But that doesn't really mean that the market won't sell. The market can consolidate around this level and still sell before going higher. I hope that makes sense. But with the structure that we have, the market already showed us that we broke above this resistance, so which means we can have a nice continuation of that buy. Simple as that. So which means we are still bullish, but if a reversal comes around, we will respect that because we had a proper sell a few days ago or last week, and we never had a proper reversal. You see, if you check this nice, it's just a pure cancellation of the previous move that we had as a sell and a nice bullish move there. So they just cancel each other. And after that, what actually happens? The market might start to move nicely. Most likely, the market will just consolidate. I hope that I hope you understand that. So this type of moves, they don't really just come now and then. But anyways, I'm still bullish, especially when we already know that they are going to cut the rates. The market tends to relax. Everyone's tend to just chill and just wait. We're no longer rushing if they're cutting the rates or not. It's already clear that they will cut the rates. And this is the funny part about the market. The market will actually go crazy, and everyone will preach, we want them to cut the rates 1 2 3. And you will think maybe when they say, yeah, we're going to cut the rates, you will think maybe the market will just fly, start to move like that. No. So once you get that, it's like, okay, we're no longer chasing that answer because now we know the answer. So we must have something new. You see, now something new, it might be, what size are they going to cut with? Is it going to be 25 basis points? Is it going to be 50? Is it going to be 75? How many times are they going to cut? You see, and that becomes the chase that we want in trading. Mostly we don't really chase what we see. We just guessing some stuff. And I don't really know why, but that's how it is. But with a structure that we have here, we can easily see that, yeah, we are on this nice uptrend structure. So the market is consolidation, pushing up, consolidate, push up. So I hope here the market can also break out of that resistance and start to push the upside. I think this structure actually is just the same as what I've shown you yesterday, because the market's like playing around the same level for almost 3 days. Or if tomorrow reaches this area, if tomorrow the market will be around this area, it will be like 4 days straight, the market just consolidating. You see. So which means not every day it's a trading day. Yes, we can do the analysis, but it doesn't really mean that we automatically going to have some trades. So on S&P 500, we can see that, yes, the market has been pushing up. We had this aggressive reversal, also aggressive recovery. And I think S&P 500 is the one that actually enjoyed this nice push, because it is still actually in a very nice profit. But I did not really take this one. If maybe you're still holding, okay, that's nice for you. But I think on S&P 500, we are very, very closer to this resistance area. The market might touch that and start to reverse. I hope everything actually is going to happen very nice. And I hope everyone is going to have their winning streak, guys. I hope everyone is going to reach whatever that they want to reach. I hope you are going to receive, or let's say you're going to be profitable, because that's the aim. Doing this analysis every day, the aim is for you to see something, to learn something, and at the end of the day, you're gonna make it. You're gonna make some money, whether you don't really make billions or whatever, but as long as you can see that it's possible to make it in the market. Sometimes, yes, we lose along the way, but yeah, it's possible to make something. So on US oil, we can see that the market has been actually going down for quite some time, but this area, it's what I've actually did talk about yesterday. It's a very proper structure there. We can call it a support, the support that we have at the moment. And there is a chance for the market to reverse. But when I'm saying that the market might reverse, I'm not saying that the market will be going higher like that. But with this type of a sell, the market might reverse, reach this area before continuing. As long as the market is not really breaking this support area, it means I will be bullish on this, because I think this needs a nice reversal. You see that? This move here is quite similar to that. So we might see a nice push to the upside. I hope that makes sense. So anyways, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, there are your prizes. Let me know if you want to join our team. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.